SQL, like, equivalent in Django query. What is the equivalent of this SQL statement in Django? How do I implement this in Django? I tried. But that did not work. How do I implement this?
Use underscore underscore contains underscore underscore I contains, case insensitive. The SQL equivalent is. Dimitri's answer below covers patterns like pattern percent or percent pattern.
Contains and are contents mentioned by false true make queries like select ... where headline like percent pattern percent. Along with them, you might need these ones with similar behavior. Starts with, I starts with, ends with, I ends with. Making. Select ... where headline like pattern percent. Or select ... where headline like percent pattern.
Case-insensitive search for string in a field.
In order to preserve the order of the words, as in the SQL, like percent pattern percent statement, I use iregex, for example. String methods are immutable, so your pattern variable will not change, and with dot asterisk you'll be looking for 0 or more occurrences of any character, but break lines. By using the following to iterate over the pattern words. The order of the words in your pattern will not be preserved. For some people that could work, but in the case of trying to mimic the SQL-like statement, I'll use the first option.
If was to hell, even the lines sign.